Today's method can get you some nice amounts of money, so let's go and see how it's done. Of course, I'm gonna lay out everything step by step so you don't have to worry about this process. Just set everything up correctly as I'm gonna show you, and then you will see the results. Hit subscribe and let's go. First of all, we have to visit this website. This website is called Digistore24. Just take a look at this, guys. 2.7 million people are coming on this website each month to get the money from Digistore24. And you don't come to Digistore24 to spend money. All of those people are getting the money for themselves because these guys have large affiliate network, and that's what we're gonna use. Of course, it's gonna work all around the world, so you can live in Nigeria, you can live in Asia, China, wherever you want, there is money for you, okay? Now, you can as well see the general rating on Trustpilot. As you can see, 6,000 reviews, and they've got 4.7 out of 5. I mean, out of all these people, a lot of them are satisfied, and you can check the comments as well. There are some bad comments, but these people generally don't have enough patience for the money, okay? You can see that certain people love this, and I love it as well because you can get some nice amount of money and you can do this forever, okay? You can just set the product up and then it's gonna be on autopilot. So you might be wondering, how are we gonna approach to this? First of all, of course, click on the register now button and then just click on affiliate. And this is why I like this, okay? Commissions are up to 85%, okay? 85% is a lot of money, guys. Out of each $100, you get 85 bucks for yourself. Now that's cool. And they also have like these weekly payouts always on time, so you don't have to wait around for your money, guys. This is a good affiliate marketplace. Make yourself an account. I'm gonna log in into mine so we can go and we can make some money. Now, once you're on the inside of it, you head over to marketplace. Immediately go and check the products. On this left hand side here, you can of course choose which category you want to get, okay? So maybe you have some passion for, I don't know, food and drinks, you take that. If you like fitness and health, you take that. If you like family and kids, services, social media, software, whatever you want to get yourself involved with, you can take it. For example, there is good on home and garden. This is a good niche as well. And for example, you can see this product is nice, the self-sufficient backyard. So this is what people are gonna get, and they're gonna read the book. Actually, it's an ebook, but they're gonna read that and they're gonna make their garden shine, okay? So a lot of people are gonna buy this, especially when the snow melts and everything like that. And just take a look at this, 25 bucks is yours, okay? So from each sale, you get $25. So just imagine how many people are gonna buy that product when we are done with this, okay? A lot of them are gonna buy that. So what do you wanna do? You just wanna copy this link, okay? This is now copied to your clipboard. But one more thing that you can do is you can check out the sales page. You can see the sales pages here, and this is what people are going to see when they click on your link. They're going to see this, and they're going to just see what this provides to them. You can see nice page with a lot of pictures. People are going to read this, and then they're going to decide to buy this product, okay? They will just add this to cart. They can choose physical and digital book, or they can just take digital book, but you don't care. Whichever one of these they take, you get $25 out of each one of those because you have 75% commission, and you can see that it is priced at 37 bucks. So 75 is going to get you $25. So now we have to find the traffic for this one, okay? The traffic is going to be easy to find. Let's just go. Of course, hit that subscribe button if you like this strategy. Thank you. Now, the first thing that you can do is you can go over to Pinterest.com and you can just find a lot of traffic on Pinterest. And there is really a lot of traffic on Pinterest, guys. You can actually see it right here on SimilarWeb. They have 1 billion total visits per month, and that is really cool. It is a constant notion here. Just take a look at this, 1 billion people all the way, guys. It is a good traffic source, maybe even the best one. So what you want to do is you want to make a pin about it, okay? So for example, I'm just going to show you, maybe I can just tap in garden and you're going to see what other people are sharing. So you can just take a picture like these people are doing, okay? Something which is related to garden. And then you make a pin about it just like these guys are doing. So for example, just take a look at this one. Everyone would like for their garden to look like this, right? So you can take this exact picture or you can just find it online, maybe even better one. You can, for example, go over to Google and you can just type in pretty garden or beautiful garden, whatever, guys. Go to images and then choose any of these pictures, okay? Just try to find something which is natural enough, okay? So don't take, like, I don't know, something from a castle or something. Maybe this one is good, it looks nice, and everyone can make this. So you can just open this picture, open in a new tab, and then just download this one. Click on Save Image As, and then you just go over to your profile on Pinterest.com and you click on plus, pin, create a pin, and then add the title, okay? For the title, you can just paste this one, okay? Copy this one and paste that title in here. Just paste that and add that picture, okay? So now that we have the picture, this is the most important step. You have to add a destination link, okay? And this is the link, of course, which you are gonna paste, but be sure to make it like a look better, okay? You can easily go over to bit.ly.com and you can just paste that link in here, so you can shorten that link. It's gonna look better and you can see that it looks way nicer. Copy it and then just paste that in here, okay? So now people are gonna see what this is about, and you can, of course, tell everyone what your pin is about. And for this, you can easily go back to the sales page, okay? You can just go back to the sales page, and for example, you can take this one. We would like to share with you all the projects we made here in All Small Paradise, blah, blah, blah. You can just take that, copy, this is something about gardening, and people are gonna relate, okay? So you can just paste that like that, and then just save this pin, and it's out there in the world, okay? Now, whenever someone sees that on Pinterest, they like the picture, they like the product, they buy that product and you get $25 for each one of those sales. Now, the same thing you can do if you go over to google.com and just type in gardening forums. And you can see that you have a lot of these. For example, just take a look at this one, top 10 gardening forums, and it's gonna give you all these. So the gardening forums, Moosey's Country Garden, garden guides, and all that you have to do, guys. You have to engage with the people there because they're gathering there for a reason, right? They want to better their garden. Just take a look at this, top 45 gardening forums. So this is a lot of traffic, a lot of potential customers, because inside of these groups, there are people who want to do something in their garden. And of course, they want to get advice, they want to get some tips, and of course, they want to find something to buy in order to make their garden better, okay? That's what they want to do on these websites, on these forums. So they're most likely going to buy this product because they want to make it look nice. Just go and invest your time. The possibilities are endless, guys. I'll catch you.